Pool Payday friend lists can stop syncing when the app is showing stale account data, the connection is interrupted, or the app version is out of date. The quickest fix is to refresh the connection first, then check the app and account settings. By the end, you'll know which checks to make when your Pool Payday friends are missing, outdated, or not appearing across devices. Start by closing Pool Payday completely and opening it again. This forces the app to reload your account data instead of continuing from the current session. After reopening it, check the friend list before changing anything else. If the list is still not syncing, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Pool Payday. If the list appears after changing networks, the problem was likely related to the connection rather than your friend list itself. Next, check whether Pool Payday has an update available. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Pool Payday, and check whether an update button appears. On an iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check the available updates. Install the update if one is available, then launch Pool Payday again. The next step is checking whether the problem affects the account or only the device. If you use Pool Payday on another supported device, sign into the same account and check the friend list there. If your friends appear on the other device, the account data is likely intact, and the original device or app session is the more likely problem. On Android, you can also clear Pool Payday's cache through Settings, Apps, Pool Payday, Storage, and Clear Cache. Avoid choosing Clear Data unless you know your login information, because clearing app data can remove locally stored information. On iPhone, there is no standard system-wide Clear Cache button for individual apps. If restarting and updating the app do not fix the issue, you can consider deleting and reinstalling Pool Payday, but make sure you can sign back into your account first. If one specific friend is missing while the rest of the list works normally, check that you are using the correct account and that the friend connection was actually completed. If the entire list is missing, focus on the connection, app update, and account session checks first. So the main fixes are simple: restart Pool Payday, test another network, install any available update, and verify the same account on another device. Your next step should be to completely close the app, switch your connection, and reopen it. If this fixed your friend list, like the video, and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.